Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal. My channel name is Crittlebups and thanks for stopping by today. Today I'm going to do a combined Dollarama and Dollar Tree haul. So let's see what I found. We'll start with Dollar Tree. So everyone knows that Easter is up and running as for decorations and everything at the Dollar Tree now that Valentine's is over. So this is what I'm going to share with you. I'm so happy that Canada got these really awesome wooden beads. So the end comes with the embellishment carrot, and then I love that they put the green tassel on the orange strand. So there's this one, and they're about, what would you say, maybe 2 feet long. So there's the orange, there's the pastel-y pink, blue, green, and this is with a ribbon and tassel and a bunny, plain pink bunny, and there's that one, and then the last one is the yellow one. And it has the little ribbon tassel and the chick on the end. So how pretty are those? I just think they're so good. Obviously, again, like I say, for a tier tray or, I don't know, just table decor or a fireplace mantle, anything like that. So I love that we got the wooden beads. Yay! These are sweet. There's an 8-pack of the styrofoam craft bunnies. I seen the larger one and I'm kicking myself for not getting it now because I'm praying that they're still there, but I just want to decoupage some really pretty floral napkins on them. I think they're going to be gorgeous. So hopefully I can find them again when I go back, because things like that tend to sell out quickly. With these little ones, my thought process is just to paint them all different pastel colors and then put white polka dots on them all. So I like that kind of decoration, is the polka dot theme. So I'm gonna see how that turns out and I'll share that with you. And then they came out with mini embellishments this year. So I just grabbed the eggs and the carrots, and you're getting 14 pieces in each. So they are just really tiny. They have the bigger carrots. I think they are 6 pieces in a pack. And the eggs and the chicks and the bunnies. I think that's what they have for the big sizes. As for these ones, they also have little bunnies and little chicks, if I'm not mistaken. So I got those. I love these. The 6-piece yarn wrapped carrots. So again, really cute for decorating on a tier tray. Incorporating these into a wreath maybe, that would be lovely. And then this is new. So they're wire brush bottle carrots. How creative is Dollar Tree for doing that? So they come in a 2-pack, and again, they're about the size of my hand. So how creative. I'm so happy to find something new like that. Good job, Dollar Tree. And this one. Remember my Christmas banners? I said it was my favorite all-time decoration ever I grabbed. Okay, so they came out with some banners for Easter now. This one, I love it. It doesn't top my list, as were the Christmas ones were my favorite, but this one is good just as well. So it's just got the foil Happy Easter and a little blue tassel on the back, on the bottom. So I love that. I did pick up one kind of candy because to me they looked like jelly beans, but they're not. They're more like, if you know what runts are, those really hard candied fruits. These are really hard candy, but once you leave them in your mouth for a while to suck down the flavor, they have that nice crunch, almost like the center of a jawbreaker. So that chalky crunch inside. But yeah, I wasn't happy. I was really excited to hope that these were jelly beans, but they weren't. Anyways, I think I'll skip over to Dollarama now. So this is all craft items. I've just been getting the itch to craft again. I have so much stuff to craft with, but I keep buying more. Isn't that the way we are, though? And so I found this. It's called cord. There are 164 feet on this thing for $4. That is a crazy deal. So macrame cord, that's what I'm going to be using it for. So I'm going to try my hand at a few different patterns and see what I come up with. I know when I was in Brownies, when I was maybe 7, 8 years old, we made macrame pot holders for Mother's Day. It's one of my best memories from Brownies. So I'm really happy to, maybe not a pot holder, but try something new with the macrame cord. There's so many instructional videos online too, so yeah, if you're interested, just go have a look and see what you can come up with. I grabbed these 2 packs of stickers because I just think they're sweet, and so they'll just be used for embellishments on cards or crafting purposes. Again, so much going on up here. I just need to put mine to paper and get working on things so that I can share with you. I love everybody's ideas when they come up with like their own imagination and share it with us, because you think, oh my gosh, I never would have thought of that. So I love when people are creative and share and just show us their own thoughts and ideas. So if you're a crafter, share your items. Start a YouTube channel. Show us what you do. I mean, there's always someone who's going to view your videos, so just keep that in mind. Maybe that little push, that one person who's watching right now, go for it. Some new wooden shapes, new to me anyway. So this is a 45 pack of just assorted wooden flowers, and so I believe you get about 5 pieces of each flower, and they are only $2. And then the 24 piece wooden butterfly, and they are assorted sizes, and they are $1.50. And I just thought these 2 hand in hand, I could do something really fun with those. These guys are in stock, and I'm so happy. I grabbed quite a few. So a couple of the squares, they're just a 6-piece, really thin MDF board for crafting, $1.25, and then they have the circles as well. So just to have them, because when something does cross my mind and I'm thinking that would be the perfect size, I wanted to have them. So I thought that was fantastic. I think each time I see them, I might grab 1 or 2 more when I'm in the store, because sometimes when they're gone, and then you don't see them again. So I'll keep that in mind. I did grab 1 more pack of the 5-piece paintbrushes for $1.25. Still your best value right now for getting paintbrushes versus Dollar Tree. So I grabbed another pack of those. And these wood puzzles look so fun. And they move by sprockets. So there's quite a few versions. So there's the bunny, so I'm going to paint it up and then assemble it, but these are only $1 for this craft. And then on the back it's showing you how it all goes together, and then what is happening is their body parts move, their arms and legs move back and forth. But how fun is that for $1? And then I also bought the deer, so there's a reindeer one as well, so the legs go back and forth. And again, The assembly on the back looks very straightforward. There's the wood. It's not a bad size thickness. So again, I'm going to paint it up and put it together and see how it turns out. Other animals I saw were a koala bear, a fox. The fox is so cute. A whale. Those are the only ones I can think of right now, but yeah, at least 5 different ones. So for $1 only, how fun is that to be crafting with and have something unique and homemade? And then the last thing, is this the last thing? Yeah, for today's haul, are these new DIY keychains, felt keychains. So there's probably about 6 versions of these ones. So I did grab this little crazy looking chick or duck, and it comes with all the accessories about how to build it. I just think it's adorable. They're so quirky, and they are only $1.25. And then there's this funny looking kitty. Like, look how wide apart her eyes are. I mean, it's just adorable. So your needle, your hoop, everything, the stuffing, it's all in there. So it just looks like a fun little thing to do while I'm sitting back watching a television show or something, just putting it all together. So I'm gonna make those too and see how they turn out, and I'll share them with you. So anyways, guys, that's all I got for today. So thanks again for stopping by. If you like my video, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated, and we'll see you next time. I'm trying, it's not working. Old-fashioned way. Bye.